Miss Lady, let me repeat myself for you since you ain't hearing the first time. I don't want to be part of any country. Being Haitian is the biggest flex.
Hello viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. TikTok has been buzzing with talk lately after a Haitian girl, who goes by the name of Haitian Doll, decided to be disrespectful to Jamaicans. Honestly, as a Jamaican, I'm going to be in my feelings about her taking offense to being mistaken as a Jamaican. Our country over the years has been at odds with other Caribbean natives, and it's not like any Jamaican want to hate or disrespect our Caribbean neighbors. It's all love to know that we have people who are supposed to be our brothers and sisters separated through slavery, but don't think you're going to just diss an entire country, and we not get disrespectful. Or are you just hungry to get views and followers so you don't have to take the boat to Jamaica anymore? Which one is it, because I'm confused? No country who has ever needed our help should be so boastful. So YouTube will surely ban this account if I even say it. But let's be real here, Haiti or any Haitian is in no condition to be disrespectful to Jamaica, like you will need us again, so don't throw the stone behind you. Moving forward, this is the definition of Mackerel Official's tagline. Tech Wet. People Man. Amy Robach, the host of Good Morning America, has been caught red-handed. It is confirmed that the TV host is having an affair with her co-host TJ Holmes. Bear in mind, both of them are married. Dis a D original side chick song. Fee up Ina Me Feelings Fee and Next Gal Man. Amy Robach's husband is Andrew Shue, who is an actor, while TJ is married to attorney at law. They both married to their partners for 12 years. That sure is a long time to be deceiving someone that you're in love. I feel like I'm watching an episode of Days of Our Lives watching these two hosts, like it was an unconfirmed, until now, because those two, whenever they host the show, look as though they wanted to rip the clothes off each other. Anyone who really was watching that Good Morning show would be able to figure it out. And in local news, Ryan Clark, a resident of Spalding Boulevard in St. Andrew, was arrested and charged with several offenses relating to an altercation. Ryan chased a man with the gun during the altercation to his home, where he also pointed his weapon to a female that lived at the residence. He then left after the incident, which was reported by both victims to the police. He was charged with shooting with intent, assault at common law, illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. This man actually think he would get away with this, pulling an illegal weapon at people and leaving them as eyewitnesses. Crazy, right? Anyways, that's all I got for you today. Do you think Haitian Doll was right for dissing Jamaica the way she did? What are your thoughts on her audacity? Let me know in the comment section what you think. See you on my next episode.